What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you. Wanted to show you some of my updates for the day. About to shut it down. So I got my tray installed. Drop it down like this. Then I have a latch down there to lock it in. Slides in like that. I got one of those put on both sides, and then I got to put the one down here to shed it completely. I got part of my smoker foundation built, and I'm gonna have a screen sitting here so it'll be completely blocked off, but I got it where you can take it out when you clean it. So I'll put little deals in there to catch it, so that way, so when you open it, it'll have a screen back here, and you can be able to sit your wood or whatnot on there, and it won't, burn through that expanded metal so fast. So, like I say, it's coming along. Just walking y'all through steps. Right now, I've been utilizing a lot of stuff that I got off of different jobs. But tomorrow, I'm going to have to go buy a few things to actually finish it. A little bit more expanded metal, and some angle iron, and I'm getting my hog made for up here. So my hog on logo, dude said he can do it, so I'm supposed to go up there and see. They're gonna put it here, so it's gonna be welded here. So when I open up the smoker, so that's what I got going right now, man. Appreciate y'all for checking in with me. Hog on, Black Phoenix. I'm out.